Go!
2 feet tall, 45 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Bailey was last seen wearing a spaghetti strap shirt and blue jeans. Braden is described as an Indian male, 1 foot tall, 20 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Investigators believe Bailey and Braden may have been taken by Brandon Begay, described as an Indian male, 6 feet tall, 250 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, and may be traveling in a 2005 brown over white Ford F250 with an unknown Arizona temporary tag. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
Oh my gosh, guys. I feel bad for the child. Guys, I feel bad for the child. Guys, whatever you do, please find him. Please find the kid. Please.